Hello everybody, thanks so much for watching. Happy New Year! For my first video of 2022, of course I had to come out with an eyeshadow tutorial. This is by Huda Beauty. This is her Rose Quartz palette. By the time you're watching this, I know this is probably like old news, but for me, I was very excited for this palette and I haven't been this excited in a long time. This palette is so unique, so creative, from the packaging to the eyeshadows. Gorgeous. I'm very, very happy with this purchase. So let's just jump right into it, starting off with Radiate. It's just like a muted, kind of like pinky purpley matte shade, going back and forth in the crease. This is my transition color. Nothing crazy. I'm not being precise with this. Back and forth, blending, you know the drill, nothing new here. Now I'm going into the shade Precious. This is like a muted purpley gray. I'm deepening up the look. I'm using my Sigma E25, putting this shade in the outer V and in the crease, blending back and forth. I have no problems with Huda Beauty eyeshadows. Her mattes are amazing. I wouldn't say they're as good as Too Faced, but they are up there. They're very easy to use. If you're a beginner, you could totally get away with using these shades without a problem. So yeah, no problem blending, and you'll actually see it later on in this video. I applied a little bit too much and it blended out, you know, without a problem. It's actually coming up, I think, right now. Yeah, right there. I thought I just went a little too hard too fast. So this shade is a darker kind of purpley gray. It's called Mantra, and putting that in the outer V and in the crease. Again, this is going to be my darkest shade for this look. Just deepening up that outer V and in the crease. This brush is, I don't know if you guys know the Eco Tools travel set. I use that little smudge brush all the time. I found this brush in my mom's makeup collection. I was like, Mom, I need this brush. This is like a go-to brush of mine by Eco Tools. I will try and link it down below. So now I'm using this super cool, fun, kind of weird looking shade. It's Lovestone. It's like a creamy, it's like a cream eyeshadow basically. So I used it as a base for my eyeshadow, and it has a little bit of color. It's more like glittery. Maybe this year I'll learn to speak. Here I am taking Blissful, and I was shocked. I could not believe it. This shade, this is the most metallic eyeshadow I have ever used. It is insane. I don't know if you guys, I don't even know if the camera is doing it justice. It's just crazy, and it's like a little bit of a duochrome. It's like purpley, bluey, and then it's kind of bronze too. Crazy shade, guys. I'm telling you, this is a very, very unique palette, and I haven't run into shades like this in a long time. So I really, really like this palette, and I actually bought it. I didn't buy it when Sephora had the 20% off. I instead waited. I had no idea this was going to happen. I waited, and Huda Beauty had 30% off the website, so I got it for 30% off. So there I just kind of blended the crease color in with the shimmer, and then I blended out very carefully. I did not want to move around that glitter at all. So that's what I did here, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. So I didn't mention it before, so now I have to clarify. This Eco Tools brush, that is like the full-size version to the travel brush that I always use. So the full size is what I'm going to link down below. It's a great brush for your outer V and in the crease. So here I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, as always, and I'm just concealing my under eyes, and I'm also going to clean up my edge a little bit. This year I think I'm going to work on not needing to clean up my eyeshadow edges so much, you know? Then I'm taking the Givenchy PRISME LIBRE Satin Blanc Loose Powder, my favorite powder ever. It is the best setting powder for your under your eyes. It's amazing. So that's what I'm doing here, and then we're going to move on to the lower lash line. I'm taking the darkest shade that I used, Mantra, lining the outer third of my lower lash line, and then I'm blending everything out with the shade Precious. So I wanted to mention this at the beginning of the video, but I just didn't have time. These lashes did me dirty. The Ardell Naked Lashes 422. Oh my god, the inner corners are so long. I really didn't want to post this video, but I really like the eyeshadow, so I was like, let me post it, and maybe people will just, you know, give me a break that these lashes are horrible. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye!